Hello stands myself Neeraj Mishra, the computer teacher of your school, came back again with a new video in which I shall explain about an operating system, and this is the topic of chapter 1, unit 3 and for class 10. Here in this video we shall introduce the operating system. As students, as we know, computer system basically consists of the two major components. The first is hardware and second one is the software. Where the hardware refers all the physical components and the parts of the computer which can be touched and seen, but the software refers the set of programs, set of instructions, set of programs that controls each and every activities of the hardware. Software basically the sole part of the computer that makes the hardware work. It is the set of programs that controls each and every activities of computer, of the hardware. Operating system is an important software type that makes an interface between user and a computer. Operating system acts as a manager of all resources of computer system. It acts as the host for application program that runs on our machine, on our computer. All the computers such as mini, micro, mainframe and hybrid use an operating system of some type. So as we know, the software is classified into three types. The first one is system software, second application software, third utility software. So these three are the types of the software. But the operating system is one of the most important system software type that is initially and primarily installed and loaded in the computer before the other software applications are loaded. An operating system acts as a bridge between user and computer. So we can say that there is no existence. We can say that there is no existence of computer system in absence of operating system software in the computer. It is the basic software of computer through which resources of computers are properly managed and maintained. Operating system, as per the facility and the services and the surrounding provided by an operating system, it is classified into the different types, such as a single user operating system, multi-user operating system, CUI operating system, GUI operating system, single tasking operating system, multitasking operating system, and so on. CUI operating system refers a type of an operating system that provides the textual surrounding to the users to work on. In this operating systems, users are needed to know about the various commands, various text commands to operate with the computer. If users are unable to know about the commands, it will be too difficult to control each and every activities of the computer to any activity of the computer. And GUI operating system, the operating system that provide completely a graphical surrounding, graphical interactive surrounding to the users to work on. Users feel very free, very interesting to work on to the systems using the GUI operating system. So in detail we have to know these two types of operating system in detail in the next video. So till have a nice day and thank you.